Good morning, we're back here at the cabin, and today we're gonna finish this sucker off. It's at least gonna look like we finished it off. So we got a lot of annoying punch list items. It's just Mike and I here this time. We got a lot of outside stuff, but we also got an inch of snow, so it's a little colder than ideal. We'll get started and see how much we could do inside, and maybe this snow will melt off. Made us a little checklist to follow. We're gonna work on the bathroom today, which is about 8 or 10 things in the bathroom. This is kind of the abridged version. We've got to work on some weather strips and stuff in the doors. Right now we have the electric heater running. Honestly, it's not that warm in here. Warm enough. So we'll get the wood pellet stove going before too long. But for now, we're working off the electric heat. I think adjusting the doors, getting the weather strips set and things will also help. We got the bathroom barn door to work on. Mike's right now working on the bunk bed. The underside, I left the board unpainted. I thought it wasn't a big deal, but then when you lay down on the bed and look up, you can see it. So we're gonna touch some of those things up. We got to put up window blinds. We got some license plates and general decor to hang up. The ceiling fan I think is assembled wrong because it's way out of balance. We're gonna figure that out. Got to make a ladder for the bunk bed. Smoke detectors. We've got to bring the couch and the coffee table in here, rug, all those things. Haul the tools out, clean up, and about a million things along the way. Let's get started. Level has no place in this place. If it looks straight, it is straight. So I wired this light up and it doesn't work. And then I remembered behind here, haha, is a GFI. Yahtzee. I wired that light up and I heard something pop out here. I was like, yeah, the power's all still on. Surely it didn't pop a breaker. I didn't realize these lights were off too. And when I turned it on, nothing happened. There's a GFI down there because that light and switch are so close to the shower. I had Dave load them off that GFI. Apparently the entire lighting circuit is loaded off of it too because everything in here went off. But on my list is to secure this to the wall for like kids climbing on it. Might have to figure something out because you can't. You gotta take a screw out, pop the GFI. Not sure which is. Pick your poison. Gotta cut this door down. You know, we should. Gotta cut a door. I'll pull it back off and let it thaw. You want to caulk that shower if you're waiting for paint to dry? No glasses. That saw's got a new blade. Okie dokie, we need spacers, bottom roller, limiters to keep it from rolling off the track. right, well, we're gonna make a ladder for the bunk beds. So I cut the angle to the floor already, and I got me an angle meter, and I'm gonna drop all the parts on the floor. So I'm hoping we could just measure about 12-inch increments. And let's see, let's do it this way. Set our angle. Got these stair treads. These are an Amazon buy. Library ladder treads. I think it's super easy. We just got to mark 12 inches, mark the angle right, and then these get 4 screws in them. That'll be pretty cool. So, extension ladder goes 12 inches. I'm going to do the same here. I did the other cabin, the big cabin that we're staying in smaller increments. Don't do that. It's like a stumble step. Actually, maybe it was the one at my house, not that one. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put one side together here and then come back and do the other one afterwards. This was a good idea to buy these treads instead of trying to like dado and screw and L bracket those wood ones I made. I'll take it. Going in. I have to call an ambulance to get me out. I think this is for children. I could sleep up here. That's what it was. All right, we're getting there. It's the majority of the list done. We've got like, I don't know, 7 things we did, but we really did about 100. I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. Mike's changing the password on the router, so it's something more manageable. I'm gonna get the microwave in here, or figure out if it should go outside. And then we're gonna hit town. We've gotta get some supplies, some things at Menards, some stuff for tomorrow so we could finish all this, smoke detectors, you know, fire extinguisher, things like that. And then I'm gonna get this wood stove lit. So anyways, I think that's it for us today. We'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be next week for you. There'll be one more video and then this cabin will be wrapped up. So hope to see you then. Thanks for watching.